So, anong camera bang ginagamit ko? Ano bang equipment na ginagamit ko? And how do I make these videos for you? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This video is not my usual content, so if you're here for math, language, logic lessons, go ahead and click dito sa taas so you can watch some of those. Today it's a little different kasi ito ay ni-request ninyong lahat, especially si Loveline Maceda who commented on the video that I posted last week or 2 weeks ago or basta before yung was in my bag. Natanong niya kasi kung anong klaseng camera daw yung ginagamit ko. Thank you for that comment, and actually salamat din sa lahat ng mga tao nagre-request itong video na to. I just haven't done it so far, so ngayon gagawin ko na siya. Before I go and dive into the equipment, there's something that I want you to understand, which is this. It's the Indian, not the pana. That was something that was told to me by one of my friends. Sinabi rin daw sa kanya ng isa sa mga mentors niya. And what that quote basically means is, it's not the equipment, okay? It's how you use the equipment that you have. You don't really need to get the expensive equipment naman to start. In fact, some of the biggest YouTubers, like kahit sila Casey Neistat, they would tell you that hindi nagmamatter kung anong klase yung ginagamit ninyo. A lot of the YouTubers, they only have yung mga kung anong equipment that they have on hand. I had a friend I met doon sa YouTube Creator Camp, and again, isa na siya sa mga pinili, yung 12 na pinili out of all the aspiring creators sa YouTube Philippines. Si Raf, ng About Raf. Nung time na yon, ang ginagamit niya lang actually to edit his videos was yung kanyang phone, kanyang iPhone. And there are people who only shoot using their phones, Samsung iPhone or anything like that. And if you watch viral videos, actually, kahit nga anong phone, di ba? Kahit nga hindi masyadong maganda yung resolution. Bakit? Kasi hindi yan sa equipment. Okay? Yan ay nasa content. It's not about the equipment, it's about content. Ano ba ang laman ng iyong videos? Ano ba ang gusto mong sabihin? Do you have something to say? Like me, do you have something to teach? Do you have something to share? Meron ka bang mga gustong sabihin? Meron kang opinion? Can your personality carry the entire channel? So, there are things lang talaga na kailangan mo pag-isipan before you even actually open your mouth. I have this saying nga na I tell my students a lot, which is this: if you don't think about what you're saying, you're not talking, you're just making noise. So, kung ano muna yung gusto mong sabihin, yun muna yung pag-isipan mo before you actually go out and buy stuff. And I know this then by experience kasi when I started making videos, I didn't have anything naman, no? All I had was this. Okay, this was my point-and-shoot camera. It's a Samsung na full manual naman siya, na Wi-Fi na camera point-and-shoot. Actually, itong camera na to, it's been with me for a long time already. And the reason why I had this was kasi actually, even before YouTube, me and my sisters, we loved making videos just for the family, mga vacation namin, ganun. And I was also delving into photography kasi I love documenting din what goes on in my life. Kasi I have a very big problem regarding my memory. So I tend to forget a lot of things. So if hindi ko siya i-document, talagang makakalimutan ko siya. So that was why I had this. Now, during that time, okay, and this is a simple camera lang talaga, as in 14.2 megapixels, tapos VGA lang yata yung camera niya. This was the same camera I used to shoot some of my first videos dun sa kabilang channel before we started this Team Laika channel na dedicated sa videos lang. It was also what I used for drum tutorials para dun sa mga students ko who lived away. So, ano naman siya? Helpful naman siya, no? But again, any camera will do. Now, after that, after I had this, I upgraded to a GoPro. And the reason why GoPro yung kinuha ko during that time was because I also travel a lot. So, para rin ma-document ko yung mga certain trips, again, like going to Palawan or stuff like that. That was why I bought my GoPro. Kasi dapat nga, function over anything else. And then, eventually, I upgraded to this setup that I have right here with the help of YouTube din. Kasi, some of the things I got here, ay dun sa YouTube Creator Camp. So, actually, I think they're planning to make another one this year. So, pwede pa kayo humabol kung gusto niyo gumawa ng sarili na yung YouTube channel para you can join that. Hopefully, manalo rin kayo. So, you can also win some of these equipment na ibigay nila sa akin, no? So, let's start with my setup right here. I'm going to show you what I use right now, alright? Let's start out with my camera. So, ilalagay ko na lang to para makita ninyo. This is a Canon M3 mirrorless camera. And the reason why I chose this mirrorless camera over a DSLR is because of yung portability niya lang. I'm not kasi that adept when it comes to photography photography and videography. Actually, I'm still learning. Siguro kung bibigyan ko yung sarili ko na rating, nasa 1 or 2 out of 10 lang ako. Hindi ko masyadong alam yung mga ganong klaseng bagay. So, I didn't see the need to bring a big DSLR wherever I go. Kasi I also travel a lot to teach. So, in order for me to kind of get yung balance between yung DSLR na malaki and yung mga point and shoot, I settled with a mirrorless. So, boom lang din ng mirrorless cameras kasi last year. So, nasaktuhan ko tong M3. It was actually hard din for me to decide, pero I decided na it should be an M3 or yung mga sumunod sa kanya, no? And the reason why I got the M3 is because of this, no? Ito yung flip screen kasi, very important siya for me kasi kung walang flip screen, hindi ko makikita kung ano yung nangyayari sa akin. I film everything, I make everything by myself in my room. So, kung hindi ko nakikita yung itsura ko, I wouldn't know if nakafocus na ba ako or if nagre-record ba talaga siya. So, very important sa akin tong flip screen. Another helpful na tool na meron siya is actually this. If you see right here, there is a digital mic input dito sa camera na ito. Which brings me to my next piece of equipment, which is this. This is my Rode mic. This is a very helpful tool din kasi to help make the sound better. Now, for the Canon camera naman, actually, you can use it without the mic. And when I travel, if you watched my travel vlogs sa Samal and the other things that I already posted, ang dami na kasing hindi ko pa napopost or hindi ko pa na-edit. If you saw those, usually those are shot with my Canon camera without the microphone. The only time I use the microphone is if the wind is really, really rough. Kasi if you see right here, it has a dead cat. Ito ay para sa wind noise, para hindi masyadong marinig yung shhh ng wind. Kaya siya nakalagay dyan kasi may aircon is a little bit loud para kahit pa paano mabawasan yung noise. Hindi rin naman siya masyadong kailangan kung hindi naman maingay yung surroundings. I only use this actually pag ganito yung setup, pag nandito ako, nakaupo ako sa sarili kong room. Alright? Now, itong L-shape na to, na rig na to, na naghahawak sa aking microphone is also very important. I got this from Lazada. And if you're interested in any of the equipment that I'm going to talk about, meron din sa description box ng links to those so you can see them for yourself, no? Itong L-shape na yan, very important yan sa akin. Actually, yan ay nakuha ko sa mga friends ko from YouTube Creator Camp. Sila, Kuya Nino from Hype Street Ball, tsaka kahit si Baby Lou. Some of them have these, or at least versions of these. Yung kay Lou yata, I think, straight lang siya na bar. I preferred this L kasi pwede ko siya i-lean towards me, tapos nakatutok yung mic sa akin. Ang downside kasi ng M3 is that yung patungan niya for the mic is nandito sa taas. Okay? And pag nandyan siya sa taas, hindi ko makikita yung screen. So, kailangan ko nitong rig na to para nakikita ko pa rin yung screen at na-access ko yung microphone. So, that's my basic rig. Hawakan ko rin na rin to if I'm shooting mga B-roll shots, mga macro, yung equipment, yan, nagagamit ko rin siya for that. Itong strap na to, it's just a regular Canon strap. Meron lang akong case na ito. Silicone case. This was actually given to me as a gift. Again, I think in order din ni Madam to from Lazada. Si Leia actually is best friend ng sister ko, one of our closest friends din. And she lives here with us. Binigay niya to sa akin. And very important yun sa akin kasi I'm not the best when it comes to taking care of my stuff, no? So, nakakatulong na may silicone siya, may grip siya, tapos it also keeps the camera from getting dinged. Kasi kung nababangga-bangga or hindi siya masisira agad. Next, I'm going to move on to yung aking tripod. Yung tripod ko na yan. Yan, ito ay Celens na tripod. I also got this from Lazada. Ang downside lang kasi is that I ordered yung purple version nito. May purple kasi niyan. Kaya lang, hindi yung purple na deliver nila is the green one. Now, before, I used to bring this with me all the time. Kaya lang, mabigat kasi siya. At saka mahirap siya i-handle. So, ang ginawa ko, nilagay ko na lang siya dito sa room. Kasi marami siyang, di ba, mga settings siya sa height and everything else. So, para hindi ko na siya ginagalaw-galaw, nakalagay na yan siya, tapos i-fold away ko na lang pag hindi ako nag-video. When I travel, I use my Gorilla Pod na, okay, to carry my camera. Kasi mas magaan yun. And madali lang siya i-prop up or kapit kung saan-saan. So, again, the links to all of these equipments nandun sa baba if you're interested. Let's go ahead and move on to my lighting setup. So, yung lighting setup ko is really funny kasi when we went to yung creator camp nga, yun lang naman yung isa sa mga talagang pinoint out ng mentor ko, na si Josh. Yun yung makakatulong kasi yung aking lighting nga hindi masyadong maganda. So, I started researching on that and I also asked them Now, when they gave me yung aking MacBook Pro, mayroon kasing sukli pa ng onte. So, sabi nila anong gagawin doon sa sukli para ma-maximize yung prize money. So, kumuha na lang ako ng isa pang ilaw. Ito yung same light na ginagamit ngayon ng mga batchmates ko sa YouTube Creator Camp. Ito yung, yan, pakita natin. Sana makita? Yan. Yung no, tatanggalin ko lang to para makita ninyo siya. Hopefully. Ayun, yan. Yan ay yung no na light. Okay, so yung nuo na light na yan, there's a link din down below sa Lazada. I think it's available there. Din naman hanapin ko na lang. This is really helpful kasi ang liit niya lang, ganyan lang siya kalaki. Tapos malakas naman siya. Meron din siya mga panels for reflectiveness. Tapos meron din siya remote, meron siyang settings. Kung gusto mo ng warm, gusto mo ng white light, pwede mo siyang iikot-ikot to modify it. So, very helpful to for me. Bumili na rin ako ng stand kasi kailangan nasa taas siya. And ang lighting setup ko kasi may tinatawag na 3-point lighting setup, di ba? You can Google that or you can research that. Then, my other light, source of light is actually here. This is my window. Makikita nyo ba? Yan, may window, may aircon, yan, may window. So, siya yung nagla-light sa akin dito sa side na to. Now, from behind naman, dito sa likod, just for drama and a little bit of design din kasi ang lit-lit kasi ng space ko. I have this is my desk lamp lang, binubuksan ko lang siya dyan kasi para lang pa-effect. Meron akong Christmas lights, LED lights lang ito. I got this from Ace Hardware lang. Actually, my sister bought that for me. So, para daw may onting pa-effect kasi daw mga YouTubers laging merong Christmas lights. So, sabi ko, sige, fine. Naglagay na lang din ako ng Christmas lights dyan. Challenging talaga for me to shoot videos. I only use a kit lens. Ito yung kit lens ko. Ibig sabihin yan yung kasama dun sa package na mirrorless camera. It's ano ba to? Canon siya na 15 to 45 mm na lens. Naka-autofocus na rin siya and everything. So, that's all I use. And because of that, it's really hard kasi maliit yung kwarto ko. If you're not aware sa kung gaano kaliit yung kwarto ko, I want you to imagine it. Ang kwarto ko is actually just about 4 meters by 3 meters. Yeah. Or 5 meters by 3 meters. That is me being kind, okay? Ito, pader na to. Okay, naabot ko na yung pader. Ito, pader na rin to. Ito, pader na rin to. Okay? So, isang di pa lang, mahigit. Kasi meron pang side doon where I have my bed. Now, regarding naman sa aking computer, I use my MacBook Pro. Again, that is a gift from YouTube. If you haven't seen yung story noon, you can go ahead and click right here to find out how I got that. And I also use yung aking stylus and yung aking tablet when it comes to shooting naman the video tutorial. So, I have a Wacom tablet. Again, I'll link it down below then if you're interested. I just use that to write on yung mga video lessons. So, that's what I use. Regarding naman sa microphone ko, when I use my laptop, dati I had an external microphone and my twin sister actually bought a few for me din. But I stopped using that kasi sa portability lang. And what I found out is that pag ginagamit ko yung aking MacBook Pro, malinaw siya at crisp naman yung sound kahit yung headphones ko yung ginagamit. So I have a few pairs. I have two actually. Itong JBL na headphones na ito. I'll link it down below din. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko. May microphone din kasi siya. So malinaw na siya. So again, I get a lot of complaints kasi from people regarding yung sound levels ng videos ko. Especially yung the ones before. Now, I would just give you a peek into what goes on, no. Yung mga dating videos, pangit talaga. Aminado naman ako doon, pangit yung sound levels. And kung minsan malakas, tas mahihina or ano. The reason for that is kasi nga, I didn't have all of these before. And I didn't have the training that I had when I was in YouTube na. I didn't have a MacBook Pro, I didn't have all of these things. So, these na lang guys, I'm planning to update all of the videos din naman para mas maganda yung production value. Like the ones ngayon, I think na medyo bago-bago, I think mas better naman na to. Kaya lang, hindi ko siya ginagawa kasi I would rather teach you new things instead of updating the old ones, diba? So, para may natututunan kayong bago. Alright? So, again, that's it for now. If you have any requests, kahit yung mga ganito, yung mga challenges or anything na hindi naman basta aral lang para may break time tayo lahat, you can go ahead and comment below. If you want more resources sa civil service exam, go to www.facebook.com/teamlaika, like that page. Reach out to me there. I would love to hear back from you. So, if you don't want to miss any of the lessons, dahil I post a new one every week, Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag may bagong video. And God bless sa inyo lahat, guys. Aja, aja. Kaya nga, I'll see you in my next video and bye for now.